Down we go.
Ah, so that's what obesity feels like.
Yeah.
This is my first tail wheel experience in the RV8, thanks to my friend Derek. Honestly, it's the most fun I've had flying since my first solo, and that's saying something. We pulled 3.8G over the iconic fourth rail bridge, and I got to see what it would be like to be the proverbial yo mama.
So basically we line up the runway, we can't see ahead, so we pick a cloud or something that we're going to try and keep straight on. We'll feed in a bit of right rudder as the power comes up. We'll ease the stick gently forward to bring the tail up. Go along the runway, trying to keep it as straight as we can with the crosswind. There will be a little bit of into-wind aileron as well. Once we reach 60, 65, just a gentle pull back, up she should go. Flaps will start to come up with positive rate of climb. Right, so kind of straight, as straight as I can see. I've got a cloud. You good?
I'm good.
Right, so my feet are on the floor, we're off the brakes.
Yep.
Feeding the power, a little bit right rudder, into wind aileron, sticks forward. Up she comes, there we go. So you can see it's a bit crappy with the crosswind, but we're okay. 60, 65, there we go. Flaps coming up.
You get airborne very quickly.
Yeah, it does, yeah. It's a bit squirrely though, that's the only thing.
Yeah.
So climbing just at 110 to start with, confirmed that the flaps are up. We're over limiting speed anyway. And I'm just going to take us round a nice sharp turn round Moncton here.
Perfect.
So 120 knots, 500 feet. There we go.
Ah, so that's what obesity feels like.
Yeah. I'll just ease us on up to 3 and 3.5 anyway. So we can just do a nice pull up. There you go. 3,000 feet a minute. And of course that starts to fall off, 100 knots. Climb.
Handling 2 plus 1, proceed to...
And then it's coming back now to about 15, 1,600 feet a minute. It's still not too bad.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah, we're pretty full of fuel. 2 of us on board, hundreds of cameras.
I'm not the lightest.
So I'll just level out here anyway, just below the cloud. Right, so the wind's from the south, so basically, don't know if you know much about mountain flying yet.
I haven't not done any of it.
Basically the wind's coming this direction, or kind of that direction. So as it goes up the hill, you get an updraft this side, and on the other side it'll go down the hill, so you get a downdraft. So if you're flying in mountains or near them, you want to be on this side, because the worst that's going to happen is it's going to take you up.
Yeah.
Whereas if you're flying the other side, the lee side, chances are
it can be quite a strong downdraft.
And it could be 2,000-3,000 feet a minute, which you might not be able to climb out of.
Yeah.
At least with this, okay, you're going up, you can turn away, you can position a wee bit further away from it. All that's going to happen is you're going to gain a bit of height, so no big deal really.
Okay.
So we'll go down through the mountains first of all. The valley I'm going to go down is the one with the lake here.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
So we'll give that a go. If it's too bumpy, we'll come back up.
Sure.
And then we're just going to hold south of the airfield.
Romeo forward clear to contact Edinburgh Tower 118-07.
Edinburgh clear Tower 118-7. Thanks a lot, Ron. Thanks a lot. Confused him now. See, I know who he is. He probably doesn't know who I am. Right, so I'm just going to weave down this valley here, okay? As I say, if it gets too bumpy, we'll use the tower, we'll climb out. Not quite a hawk, but it'll do. So we'll get a downdraft off this hill probably, but we'll also get an updraft off the next one.
Sure.
And it'll just get a bit bumpy, but nothing too much. And I'm going to hang a right round this one. Edinburgh, good afternoon, Golf Juliet Bravo Tango Romeo.
Oscar Bravo Tango Romeo Edinburgh Tower, hello. Route towards the southern aerodrome boundary for approaching.
And this was southern aerodrome boundary to hold Golf Tango. Right, there's the bubbles.
Yep.
We've just come up above them.
We hit 3 there.
Yeah. There's some bit walking on the right. Give him a wee wave. And I'll go back up to probably just 2,000 I think. You get a decent enough view of the bridges then. There's all the jets down there. And the turret. Okay, smoke is going on. I don't know if you can see smoke out the back. A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Not a lot. There's not a lot left. That's it finished, I think. I'll just turn it off again. There we go, bit of tea. Nah, there's no smoke. Never mind. So, we'll go round to the right this time, alright?
Perfect, thanks.
So again, just a bit of G, 2.5, 2.8. Waggle the wings in case my mate's watching. Okay, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Such a beautiful view.
Isn't it? And we'll just go down once more. 3.5. And then I'll go left here and we'll break out to the north. Okay?
Perfect.
There we go, 3.5. Alright?
Yeah. That's the most I've ever felt. It's great.
Okay, cool.
Once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the button. It always helps the channel. And subscribe if you haven't already. I've got some fun stuff coming up, including a music video.
Hope I don't die to look around. How wonderful life is when you're on the ground.
Till the next segment, Dead Reckoner. Out.